Here we go with my room tour of cabin 10329. We have a boardwalk facing balcony, but we're going to start in the bathroom. We've got shower capsule, and you've got your all-in-one and typical bathroom. Plenty of storage, especially for 3 people, which is the max that you can get in this room. And we'll explain that later. You got your AC controls. You got your safety gear here. Obviously you need the card on the little slip there to keep the lights on, and the AC. Storage closet number 1. Got mostly hanging stuff. Plenty of room for suitcases and backpacks. This couch does not pull out. It's just a couch, so not a big deal. Got storage cabinet closet number 2. This one comes with drawers, obviously, and more hanging and a bunch of shelves. So here you've got your vanity, and you've got your different types of plugs here. You've got USB-A, and you've got your American plugs. Down here's your cooler. Plenty of drawer space, hair dryer, etc. King size bed. On the edge of the beds, you've got US plug, light switch, and that's USB-C. Plenty of stuff, little hanging things here stuck on the walls. On this side, you have more outlets, reading light, USB-C, but on this side you have the light switch. This switch for the lights is not on the other side. So coming outside, I said this is a boardwalk facing balcony. You're right here by the Abyss dry coaster. It's right out here, right by you. Starts up there. It's a great view of the rock wall on the other side. You sit here and people watch all day long. Great view of the boardwalk, carousel. We've got playmakers, Johnny Rockets, kids shop, sweet shop, dog house, etc. All down here. They had a little parade, like a boardwalk party earlier for kids. It was really cool. At night, this is phenomenal. You can sit here and watch the Aqua Show beautifully from your room right here, because that's the rock wall right there. So you're all the way aft, and you've even got views of the ocean. So it's almost like having an ocean view and a boardwalk view at the same time. Would I recommend this cabin again? Yes, I would. But here, check this out. So you can hear the noise. You go back inside. Now you don't hear the noise. So definitely think I would get this cabin again, and I would recommend it, especially if you have any interest in watching the Aqua Show at all. Once again, this is Royal Caribbean Utopia of the Seas, cabin 10329.